have finished permutation combinations pretty much. So I have 3 to 4 questions in permutation combination. I want you to solve that because that model I think I have not been covered in that previously. So that I thought of finishing those questions. Okay, and after that, please confirm me. Have we done with the ratio, proportion, and variation concept? Ratio, proportion, and variation. Ratio, proportion, and variation. Done? Okay. Okay, ma. So why don't you try these questions in permutation and combination? Yeah, let's get started with that. I have few variety of questions. After that, we'll decide one topic, and I'll try to yeah, give me a couple of minutes so that I can show you those questions. I think is this yeah. Okay, guys, I want you to solve this. Your time starts now. In one, I'm giving only 1 minute to solve this question because it's an easy one. Okay, a lot of people, because permutation combination is such topic where you have to be very conscious. Okay, yeah, guys, try out this question, everybody. Yes, guys, what is the answer? Very easy question. Yes, Sriram, you're right. Correct. Soumya Sri, you're also fantastic. That's the correct answer. Any other persons who got the answer? Yes, guys. Array, is such an easy question. Out of 200 students, only 2 people answered it. What is this? Okay, point number 1. Point number 1. Relation is a how many letter word? Everybody. Relation is a how many letter word? ఇది ఈజీయే కదా. Everybody, please type your answer there. Yeah, relation is how many letter word, Nana? Relation is a 8-letter word. Yes or no? 8-letter word. So take eight positions here. Okay. Yeah, relation is a 8-letter word. So take 8 positions. So there is a condition. What is that condition? The condition is talking about what? The first letter is going to be what here? The words are going to start with what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, if relation is the word, the how many different words that can be formed using all the letters of the word relation, so that start with 1, which means you have to fix this position with L. In how many ways you can do that? One way, right? Now tell me, how many letters are available to you? Remaining letters are how many? Tell me the number. Remaining letters are how many? 7. Remaining positions are how many? Remaining vacant places are how many? Remaining vacant places are how many? 7. So 7 positions, 7 places. In how many ways you can arrange them? There are n objects. There are n positions. You have to arrange them in how many positions? How many ways you can do that? N factorial ways. So this can be done in 7 ways, 6 ways, 5 ways, 4 ways, 3 ways, 2 ways, and 1 way. So this will give you 7 factorial as your answer. So 7 factorial. What is 7 factorial value? 7 factorial is 50. Yes, everybody. 7 factorial is what? 5040. Okay. 7 factorial is what? 5040. Let me add one more point. Okay. Let's go to the next question. That's it. But these type of questions also, this is an easy level question. Easy level question. First position he is filling with L. He may change the first letter. I'll start with R. Do you think is there any change in your answer? No, the answer still remains the same. Your answer is what? 7 factorial. Okay. So after that, I want you to solve this question. Please, this is also an easy question. Okay, but don't make an error. Okay, don't make an error. Yeah, your time starts now. I want to see how many of you will give the correct answer. Yes, everybody. 8 factorial. Very good. Rajeshwar Reddy got the answer. Survi got the answer. Yes. Tell me in the form of fraction also. I mean, factorial also. Factorial Japan. If you don't multiply it also, it's I don't mind. Yes. Okay. Guys, my ilanti questions definitely, కొంచెం లాజికల్ క్వశ్చన్స్. దీస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఆర్ very good. Correct. These kind of questions are a bit logical ones. I want you to be careful. So boys and girls, tell me again. It is a how many letter word, Nana? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letter word. And they are saying this is not going to start with T. ఇప్పుడు ఇది T తో స్టార్ట్ అవ్వట్లేదంటే వాట్ ఆర్ ద లెటర్స్ అవైలబుల్ టు యూ? ఆర్, ఈ, ఎల్, ఏ, ఐ, ఓ, ఎన్, టి. సో యూ కెన్ ఫిక్స్ దిస్ పొజిషన్ రిమైనింగ్ ఆల్ ది లెటర్స్. నో, ఈ లెటర్స్ లో దేంతోనైనా ఫిక్స్ చేయొచ్చు కదమ్మా. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సో హౌ మెనీ వేస్ యూ కెన్ డూ దిస్? 7 వేస్. ఇది ఆర్ తో అయినా స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఈతో అయినా స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చు, ఎల్ తో అయినా, అండ్ AION. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? ఈజ్ దిస్ పాయింట్ క్లియర్ ఎవ్రీబడి? కన్ఫర్మ్ మీ ఇన్ ద లైవ్ చాట్. I can fix this position with any of the way. Okay, do you got my point, ma? Yes. Now tell me ఇందులో నుంచి ఒకే లెటర్ ని కదా ఫిక్స్ చేస్తాం ఎట్ ఏ టైం. యూ కెన్ ఫిక్స్ ఓన్లీ 1 లెటర్. నో, నౌ టెల్ మీ ఇప్పుడు ఎన్ని ప్లేసెస్ వేకెంట్ ఉన్నాయి నాన్న? 7 ప్లేసెస్. ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ వేకెంట్ ఉన్నాయి ఇంక్లూడింగ్ టీ? నౌ 7 places vacant and 7 places. So this is going to be fixed in how many ways? 7 factorial ways. Your answer is going to be what? 7 factorial into 7. Just now we have calculated 7 factorial, that is 5040. You have to multiply with 7. So this is 28. This is what? 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. People who got 35280, they are absolutely right. Okay, and people who said me 7 into 7 factorial also, they are also absolutely good job. Okay, absolutely good job. Okay, is that clear everybody? Okay, is that clear? Finished this question? Understood? Okay, yeah, let's go to the next question. Let's go to the next question, ma. Okay, I want you to solve this question also. Yeah. How many different words can be formed using all the letters of the word relation such that L and T appear together? L and T appear together. Where L and T are appear together. Very good. Very good. Yeah, Sri Ram, Sai, yes. Correct. Rajeshwar Reddy, you are also right. Vamshi, beta, please check your answer. And okay, we'll see who is going to be right. Yes, guys. Whenever what is the word here, ma? The word here is what? Relation. Okay. In a relation, what they are saying, L and T has to be together. Whenever numbers together, words together, please tie them up. Okay. Guys, tell me, when L and T are together, okay, when L and T are together, what are the remaining letters, Nana? R is a letter, E is a letter, A is a letter, okay, I is a letter, and O is a letter, N is a letter. Tell me, apart from L and T, the remaining letters are how many, ma? The remaining letters are how many? Tell me, remaining letters are how many? 6 letters. Okay. When always remember, when somebody is together, please treat them as one unit. Okay. So please treat them as one unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now the total number of letters is going to be what? 7. Because L and T are together means you have to treat them as one unit. So total number of ways what done? 7 factorial. This is your final answer? No. L and T may be, T and L also no. So L and T among themselves, how many ways they can arrange themselves, Nana? If there are 2 letters, so 2 letters can be arranged in how many ways? 2 factorial ways. Okay, 2 factorial ways. So answer for this question is what, Nana? 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, 7 factorial into 2 factorial. Okay, let's say L, T, E are together. Then tell your answer. When L, E, L, T, E are together, then what is your answer? Be smart. Then what is your answer, ma? Huh? Quick. Very good. Very good. When L, T, E are together, when L, T, E are together means, very good. Very good. 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Yes or no? 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, 6 factorial into 3 factorial. All right. Very good. I hope the remaining people also got the answer. How I got 6 factorial into 3 factorial. Because L, T, E are together means you have to tie them up. What are the remaining ones, Nana? R, A, I, O, N. So 1, 2 because together. 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 factorial, and among themselves I can arrange it in 3 factorial ways. Okay. But if I change conditions to all the ovals are together, then what is going to be your answer? When all the ovals are together, what is going to be your answer, ma? When all ovals are together, what is going to be your answer? Fantastic, Sriram. That's the correct answer. Very good. Very good. Don't get confused. Uh, Point number 1. Sriram, check your answer. You might wrong here. Yeah, just now I have realized. Yes. Okay. Yeah, a lot of people are Vamshi. Again, you're done a small mistake. Suru, you also done a small mistake. Yes, yes. Is it 4 factorial into 4 factorial, or it's 4 factorial into 5 factorial? I mean 5 factorial into 4 factorial. Anything is same. Tell me, ma, how many ovals are there in this particular question, Nana? How many ovals are there? E is a oval, A is a oval, I is a oval, O is a oval. Okay, then when there are 4 ovals, the remaining ones are what? R, L, T, N. Right? Okay, so when ovals are together, you have to tie them up. So one unit, the second unit, the third unit, the fourth unit, the fifth unit. How many ways you can arrange them? 5 factorial ways, and all the ovals are together. Among themselves, you can arrange in how many ways, Nana? 4 factorial ways. People who got 5 factorial into 4 factorial, they are absolutely right. So this is what, Nana? This is a condition for when all ovals are together. Tell me, if I change my question to all consonants are together, then what is your answer? Be smart and give the correct answer. Do you think? Yes. The same answer, no? Because now you have to tie them up like this. This will become one unit, second unit, the third unit, fourth unit, and fifth unit. So this is 5 factorial. And okay, in this particular question, ovals and consonants are equal. Okay, ovals and consonants are equal. But if I change a word to red tape, okay, now tell me, in this question, all the consonants are together. Tell me what is your answer? In this question, all the consonants are together. What is going to be your answer, ma? అరే ఇంతసేపు చేయకూడదు నాన్న. కొంచెం స్మార్ట్ గా బిహేవ్ చేయాలి. మా ఓవెల్స్ ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయమ్మా? వాట్ ఆర్ ద ఓవెల్స్? ఓకే, కాన్సోనెంట్స్ టుగెదర్ కదా. యా, వాట్ ఆర్ ద కాన్సోనెంట్స్ యూ హ్యావ్? Consonants. R is a consonant, D is a consonant, T is a consonant, P is a consonant. Yes or no? Yeah. So when all the consonants are together, so the remaining ones are what? E. What is that? E, A, and E. E, A, E. Okay. Guys, tell me. This is 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4. So 4 factorial. Okay, 4 factorial into in the consonants, it's going to be what? 4 factorial. But here is the ovals are repeating. I mean, E is repeating, no? When E is repeating, you have to divide with 2 factorial, right? Because E is repeating how many times? 2 times. When E is repeating 2 times, you have to divide with what? 2 factorial. Yes or no, guys? Have you understood the point? Anybody have done with this? When E is repeating, you have to divide with 2 factorial. Anybody realized this particular point? So 4 factorial into 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Nobody told me the 2 factorial in the denominator. This is what you have to realize. That's why I gave a word which is repeating. Okay, be conscious when the word. But boys and girls, in the previous question, there is no repetition. Yes or no? There is no repetition. When the repetitions are allowed, you have to, let's say there is a word called Banaras. Okay. How many ways I can arrange this by using the letters, Nana? First, you have to understand how many letters are there. దీని నుంచి ఎన్ని వర్డ్స్ వస్తాయి అంటే how many letters are there, Nana, here? Please tell me first. ఎన్ని లెటర్స్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా? 7 letters. So 7 factorial divided by is there any repetition of letters ma? Any repetition of letters? A is repeating how many times ma? A is repeating how many times? 3 times. So you have to divide with 3 factorial. Okay, you have to divide with what? 3 factorial. Okay, you have to divide with 3 factorial. Okay, having done with these questions, ఇది నేను హోంవర్క్ ఇస్తున్నాను. ఇది నేను విల్ డిస్కస్ ఇన్ ద సాటర్డేస్ క్లాస్. ఒకసారి ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ ని ఫాస్ట్ గా స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకోండి, బికాస్ ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు ట్రై. కొంచెం మీకు వర్క్ ఉండాలి. ఐ వాంట్ యూ టు ట్రై. సో దెర్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ 3 questions. All are different questions. I mean, the last 2 questions were same, but you have to be conscious. Palindrome means what, Nana? Can I say you have to understand 1 to 1 is a palindrome? I mean, from left hand side, the right hand side, if you read the number, the same number will appear. Yes or no? Yes or no? All these numbers are palindromes, right? Boys and girls, have you understood? So how many 5-digit numbers are palindromes is the question. How many 5-digit numbers are palindromes is the first question. Second question is what? In first 10,000 natural numbers, how many times digit 4 appears? Ma, first 10,000 natural numbers lo 4 ఎన్నిసార్లు వస్తుంది అనేది your second question. Your third question, in the first 10,000 natural numbers, how many times digit 1 appears? Okay, so solve these questions. Okay, solve these. I hope done with the screenshot, ma. Say yes in the live chat after taking the screenshot. I want everybody should respond here. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, everybody. Okay. So guys, I think, let me tell you the topic name. If it is done, please type Y, because yes. Okay. Simple equations is done, because almost a lot of topics been completed. Please type yes. Okay. Ages is done. Ages. Okay. Ratio, proportion, variation is done. Right. Partnership is done. Percentages is done. Percentages. Right. Profit and loss is done. Right. Simple interest, compound interest is done. Ma regular ga vache vallu, yeah. Simple interest, compound interest is done. Yes. Time and work is done. Time and work. Yes. Time, speed and distance is done. Boats and streams is done. Yes. Averages is done. Averages. Yes. Allegations is done. Allegations is also done. Mixtures is done. Yes. దాంతోటే అయిపోయింది అది కూడా. Okay. So after that, permutation, combination is done. Probability is done. Probability. Right. Okay. Number system is done. Number system. Numbered system. Number system కూడా అయిపోయిందమ్మా. ఎవరు టైప్ చేయట్లేదు, అందరు డైలమాలో ఉన్నారు. సో ఇస్ దిస్ డన్ ఆర్ నాట్? ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ. Numbered system. No, yes, no, yes is coming. Okay. Numbered system. Yeah, numbered system. Okay. Tell me, LCM, HCF is done, ma? LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. No, big no for this. All right. Okay. So yes, so LCM, HCF is left out. Right. In reasoning, ma, in reasoning, tell me, confirm me. Let's start with number series is done. Number series is done. Yes. Letter series is done, Nana. Letter series is also done. Okay. Coding, decoding is done. Coding and decoding is done. Yes. All right. Next, after this, blood relation is done, Nana. Blood relation. Yes. Must questions to discuss just now. Clocks is done. Clocks అయిపోయింది కదా. Calendars అయిపోయిందా నాన్న? Calendars is also done. No. So calendars is pending. All right. Right. Calendars is pending. Okay. Next, seating arrangement is done. Seating arrangement చేసాం కదా. Circular arrangement, linear arrangement. Yeah, that is done. Puzzles. Puzzles also done. Lot of puzzles we have done. Puzzles is also done. After that, syllogism is done, Nana. SYLLOGISM. Syllogism అనే కాన్సెప్ట్ డిస్కస్ చేసామా? నో. ఎస్ అండ్ నో రెండు ఆన్సర్లు వస్తున్నాయి. సిలాలిజం డిస్కస్ చేసామా? ఆల్ క్యాట్స్ ఆర్ రాట్స్, ఆల్ బఫెలోస్ ఆర్ థర్డ్ ఇయర్ స్టూడెంట్స్. నో. యా, నో, రైట్. ఓకే. సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఇస్ డన్. ఓకే, ఓకే, అది డీటెయిల్ గా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాంలేండి మళ్ళీ, బికాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ నోస్ ఆర్ కమింగ్ అప్ హియర్ లాంగ్ ఎగో. ఓకే, ఓకే, ఆల్ రైట్. Yeah, in reasoning, yes, I think these are the topics been done. Data sufficiency is done. Okay, DS కొంత చేసి ఉంటాం. Data sufficiency is done. DI is done. Data interpretation is done, Nana. Data interpretation. Data interpretation, no. Okay, data interpretation, no. All right. So quant లో నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్, LCM, HCF డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. జామెట్రీ మెన్సురేషన్ కూడా అవ్వలేదు కదా. జామెట్రీ అండ్ మెన్సురేషన్ అది బిగ్ సబ్జెక్ట్. సో అది చాలా ఐ మీన్ యా విల్ డిస్కస్, అది కూడా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం, జామెట్రీ అండ్ మెన్సురేషన్ కూడా. ఓకే, సో ఒకసారి చూస్తే క్వాంట్ లో ప్యూర్ మ్యాథ్సే ఉంది నాన్న. నెంబర్ సిస్టమ్, LCM, HCF, జామెట్రీ అండ్ మెన్సురేషన్ ఉంది, అవునా? ఒకసారి రీజనింగ్ లో చూస్తే ఒకసారి మీరు రాసి పెట్టుకోండి ఈ టాపిక్స్, బికాస్ ఇవి వీ నీడ్ టు ఫినిష్ ఇట్ అవుట్. We need to schedule in the upcoming sessions. If we finish just almost every concept is done. If you look at in this reasoning one, calendars is one of the topic. I mean important ones. Syllogism, data interpretation, ranking and time sequence. Ranking and time sequence is one of the topic. Ranking and time sequence is done. Ranking and time sequence. No. Okay. Right. Ranking and time sequence. Inkokati cubes. Cubes ayindamma. Cubes avaledu kada. Cubes. So reasoning lo please note down the topics. Important ones. Calendars, syllogism, data interpretation, ranking and time sequence, cubes. Right. So ee topics chepte almost anni topics cover chesinatte. Analogy odd man out అయిపోయిందమ్మా. Analogy odd man out is done in reasoning. Analogy odd man out. No? Are you sure? Analogy and odd man out is not yet done. Everybody? Okay. Because analogy questions may come in different exams. It may not come directly, but long ago, yeah, it is done. Yes, maybe, yeah, beginning of our sessions, maybe that is done. Okay, so boys and girls, my advice is this: please make sure that almost you are is your 3-2 classes started in online, ma? 3-2 start type in the online lo. Yes, I think your first mid exams is also done. Yeah, half done. So make sure that no avaleda first mid exams is done. Okay, from 31st. All right. Okay, okay, boys and girls. So because we are almost near to your placements, right, guys? How many of you really serious about your placements? Because you are coming every day means I think everybody is serious, right? And I am telling you this fact. This is most important thing whenever you are reaching your date, because once the date is out, you might serious. Let's say TCS Ninja is date is out, you might serious. But my advice is fix one day, because definitely in June, July, at the end of June or July, definitely they will give you a date. Okay, so mostly you have 1 month or 1.5 month, mostly 2 months time, right? So please analyze yourself, ask yourself, what are your weaknesses? Like, where are you lagging out? Like, if you are not able to do programming, please focus 1 hour every day. Okay, and if you are not serious, just chill, sleep, whatever the shit you want to do, you can do that. But I'm telling, people who are serious about it, I mean, please write down where you are lying. Let's say you don't good command on data structures. Giving you when you're going to interview panel, what is the first question they'll ask you? How many of you prepared for this question? What is the first question pop up? Let's say you cracked your this particular examination, I mean you cleared the written test. Yeah, tell me about yourself is the first question, right? Yeah, everybody know, introduce yourself, tell me about yourself, right? Right. I am giving a task, please try this out, because now I am giving a 2 minutes time, okay, 3 minutes time. Tell me about yourself, please. Try to talk to you yourself, because anyway you are in mute. Okay, please try to talk, tell me about yourself is the question. Please open up and try to speak for 2 minutes. Please give a try. If you are on bed, if you are sleeping also, please wake up and you can try this out. Yeah. Because okay, are you able to speaking 1 minute? Yes, no. Yeah. So if you don't impress your interviewer with this question, you are done, you are gone. Okay, my advice is this. Okay, I can what I'm going to tell you is, take your time, and not now, after the session, take your time, take a book, pen and paper, whatever you want to speak, whatever is there, please put it in book, and in with a, please write that in a paper. Okay, okay, please write that in a paper. Is the words are coming out, or you're lacking of words? Okay, and one more thing, whenever you are telling about yourself, tell me about yourself, it has to be very clear, because from that only questions will pop up. Yes or no? Let's say, sir, I am interested in reading books. If you said in tell me about yourself, they'll ask you what is the last book you might read, who is the author. So you have to be prepared. So whatever you are telling there, in the first 1.5 minute, from that only your questions will be raised. Yes or no? Because do you think the interviewer know about yourself? That's the thing, that's the starting point, and they'll start asking from whatever you said. I have done this project, so good about your project, what you have done in that project. You will buy the project, we everybody know that, but whatever you buy, please read that project. Okay, do you got my point here? So guys, and how many of you are concentrating on your soft skills and your verbal skills? Have you ever tried any verbal questions in because in you might have done in your school days of your verbal, your grammar, right? It's a lacking of almost 3.5 years. Have you ever tried any verbal question? Have you ever tried any RC, reading comprehension? Yeah, in school days we have RCs, like, yeah, you can have your answer in that particular RC only. So, but here in company specs, you have to interpret the answer. Okay, so please make sure that good with all the skills. Okay, try to improve your communication skills. That's the most important thing. Okay, because anyway you are going to crack for sure, yeah, the written test. Okay, after that you have to be very, you have to communicate like anything, uh, because why MNCs need communication skills? If you are a good coder, if you don't have a communication skill, they don't take you, because the other day you have to communicate. No, if somebody don't understand the code, how do you communicate? Because your clients will be or US ones, right? So how do you communicate with him? Yes or no? So that's why communication skills are most important. Okay, so please focus there also, because all what should be done to increase my verbal ability, sir? What you are going to do, try to, because everybody will say the same thing. If you read more, you will understand more. Okay, the only way to improve your verbal and reading is, it's all about reading. You may read any novels, or you may read any newspapers, anything different kind of stuff you have to read. That's where you can improve your verbal skills. And I'm telling you, people who studied in, I'm not degrading anybody. I mean, people who might have studied in big schools, like hashtag schools will be there, no? So they don't need to read anything, because they know how to speak, and they know how to answer those particular questions. People who are from small towns like me, we struggle to answer the question, because we believe that all the four options will be correct. If you want to, the fill in the blanks will be there, no, in English. So we think that every answer is right. So my advice, please focus on your verbal skills as well. Okay, and your program, mainly programming. Okay, are you trying every day at least one or two programmings in different platforms you have? No, because this is a time you have your 24 hours of time in your hand. So don't waste this opportunity, because previously you have to come to your college, wasting of 4 hours in traveling. So please, why don't you utilize those time for learning? Because if you get a good job, that is for good for you and your family only, no? So please make sure that that has to be happen. Okay, have to improve aptitude, solving skills. It's all about practice. There is no other mantra. I'm telling you, a percentage class is done in long back. If I ask you again the percentages, you might forget. Okay, because lack of practice. Okay, if you don't practice regularly, trust me, everything will be vanished from your brain for sure. సింపుల్ మా, ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు టచ్ లో ఉండకపోతే అది నీకు టచ్ లో ఎందుకు ఉంటుంది చెప్పండి? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? సింపుల్ లాజిక్, నో? If you don't reading that regularly, how it's going to be touch with you? If you don't read programs, if you don't read the structures regularly, how it's going to be touch with you? No, that is not possible. Okay, and some people will, they'll read one time, they'll remember forever. There are few people like that. But how is that going to be happening? That's with your concentration. How do you remember your friend's date of birth? That's a concentration, right? If I ask you 1/7, nobody will remember. Few will remember for sure. Nobody will remember, because we don't have that much concentration. That's the only thing. How you take it? Are you taking it for seriously, or joke? That's make the difference. No, మీకు ఎందుకు జాబ్ కావాలో మీకు తెలిస్తే, there is simple mantra to get any job. Do you want a job for sure? Seriously, you will get it. మీకు జాబ్ కావాలంటే, you will try for that. You will do for that. So you will give time to read, okay, write, and improve? Yes or no? If you want to entertain yourself, don't you think if you don't have Netflix account, also you will watch that series or movie in that particular day at any cost? Yes or no? You will do whatever the things you want, you will do. You will ask your friends, otherwise you will go to there are so many websites, right? Yes or no, there are kind of thing, you will get it, you will do it for you. So that's what the thing. So if you want, you will get it. Please, but why you want a job is really, do you want a job, you will get it. And this time software jobs are booming like anything. So please concentrate and try to get your things done. Okay. Okay. Is that clear, everybody? If you are serious, definitely will get it. Okay. So please make sure that, learn programmings every day, learn aptitude every day. Try to focus your, communication skills. Please, today, my advice, please finish this question. Tell me about yourself. Please prepare, because do you think after going to the interview panel, do you think you are going like a brave student? No, you will be panic like hell when you are attending for your first interview. Trust me. మామూలుగా ఉండదు అప్పుడు సినిమా. Yes or no? Yeah, you're talking to an HR or the technical person who knows everything, and and you are going there and trying to fool him. That's not going to happen there, because he might have seen like you so many students, because their job is to recruit people. No, they know who is bluffing and all. So please be you. Yeah, if they feel that they're suitable, definitely they'll pick your profile. Okay. Yeah, how many of you have proper resumes with you? Do you have your resumes with you? How many of you have? Please say yes in the live chat. Do you have your resume? I think nobody is having resumes, because yes, do you have your resumes? Okay, how many of don't have resumes? Everybody had your resumes, right? Okay, please, if you don't have, please try to prepare your resume. Yeah, you will copy from Google, but please make sure that the dates are different. So your school name is different, will be there. Please change that as well. Yeah. Okay, so don't the last minutes hurdles will be there. Please don't get into that. If you don't have it, you have time. Just prepare your resume. Otherwise, ask your friend to prepare the resume. Okay, see the sample resumes and how you can write your own resume differently. Okay, so please do that. Is that clear, everybody? Yeah. So guys, today I don't want to talk. I don't want to take about any topic today. Yeah, because today it will become a motivation session. I'm so sorry for motivating you. Yeah, because the self motivation is the best motivation, I can say. My Puninjapina, it will be, it's around 10 to 20 minutes. After that, it will be vanished. Yes or no? I think somebody is already sleeping. I know that, but still, if one person got, that is, if one person is, motivated and get that is good for me. Yeah. So, guys, I am giving a task for the next, whatever the half an hour, 1 hour. Why don't you try write your, tell me about yourself. Okay, please put it in a pen and paper. Write the concept of tell me about yourself. Okay, tell me about yourself, and please send me to my mail ID. I'll check with that. Okay, if any suggestions is there, I'll try to write there. Okay, is that clear, everybody? So that you can improve. Is that clear? Okay. So I'm wishing there are 215 students. I want 215 mails. because don't copy. Don't, please write it down. I am not coming and I'm not giving you punishment, right, to this. So you are checking yourself. So don't act in front of yourself. You can act in front of other people, that's okay, but this is for yourself, right? This is for your improvement, right? Yes or no, everybody? Do you got my point? Okay, so please make sure that, yeah, please make sure that I want you to be improved. That's all I want. I want you to be get placed. That's all I want. Okay, because once you got placed, it's a complete change to your family, whatever. Because a lot of people, uh, they badly need their job after their engineering to support their family, whatever. So please keep that things in your mind, because where are you now, everybody at your homes, your family thing. Do you really need a job or whatever, right? I mean, everybody getting what I'm talking. Okay, so please get that. So please make sure that try to sit down today alone and try to write what should be done in the next week. Okay, because placements are coming up. You have enjoyed till today, that's okay, fine. Why don't you why don't you get a job in the next couple of months? After that, whatever you want, whatever shit you want, you can do after that. Trust me, people who got their jobs in earlier companies see their happiness in their faces, because maybe to that time everything will be settled out. Every will come to their colleges. You can see their faces, how happy faces you can see. Okay, so I want everybody should be happy when the time of your placements. I want to see all happy faces in your college. Okay, so that's all from my side today, guys. So please make sure that you're right. Tell me about yourself and try to send it to my mail ID. Is that clear? Is that clear, everybody? Everybody. Okay, yeah. So yeah. So I want you to do this for today. Okay, that's all my time, guys. So the next week I'll come up with will completely we'll do reasoning concept. We'll do calendars in the next week. Okay, okay, we'll do calendars in the next week. Okay, all the very best. uh, ఒకసారి ఆలోచించండి, do you really need, yeah, Saturday we'll do calendars. Okay, yeah. Okay, guys, yeah, that's all my time. Thanks a lot for being in this session. Great day, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Please try to think, what really do you really need a job or not? I hope everybody need that in this situation. Okay, if you have a job, it's a nice thing to tell anybody. Thank you, guys.